Although Tesla is having problems meeting its increasing production demands, the company still is thinking about the future. Tesla caught everybody off guard at the launch of its electric semi-truck when it revealed a pre-production prototype of the next-generation Roadster. CEO Elon Musk claims the new Roadster will be much quicker than the original, reaching 60 miles per hour from a standstill in just 1.9 seconds. And that isn't even the most impressive figure, as the Roadster is expected to have a top speed in excess of 250 miles an hour and a range of 620 miles. It's hard to believe the electric Targa top will only cost you $200,000, including a $50,000 deposit.